Hi everyone, this is Toxins Philippines teaching how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently. This is our market wrap-up report for January 31, 2018. Market continued its downtrend or correction, dropping by 146.47 points or 1.64% to close at 8764.01. The broader all-share index is down by 1.34%. All of the sub-indices are down with the exception of the service sub-index. Value turnover totaled 11.52 billion. There were 61 advancers, 142 decliners, while 52 names remain unchanged. Foreigners were net foreign sellers amounting to 2.33 billion. Best performing sub-index is, of course, the service sub-index. It was also red but was able to recover at market lows. Worst performing sub-index is the holdings sub-index. Let's try to look at the holdings in the property today because the drop was quite significant. Holdings. Okay, ATN and ATNB hit, I think, ceiling price. Yeah, they both hit ceiling price, but was not able to stay in that levels. However, it's still a good close. PA is also up, but there's no volume. DMC is 0.70% higher. TFH has no volume. And AGI slightly higher by 0.26%. Losers, we have SM dropping quite significantly for the third straight day, and it did so with volume. So let's see. LPC is also down by 2.65%. Costco 2.57% lower. LTG. JG Summit is also down. LIHC, no volume. AEV 1.29% down. SMC 0.62% lower. MPI also 0.62% lower. And GT Capital. Property space. MRC, however, is up 8%. VLL 1.30% up despite the net foreign selling, which is quite huge at 207 million. For the losers, we have Yellow Land, huge net foreign selling, 530 million as well. SMPH is also getting dumped, 337 million in net foreign selling. Global Dragon is down by 2.30%. Jerry, 2.92% lower. BRN is also down. SLI has no volume. Primex, 1.86% down. Bell is also lower. Alco as well. RLC, 0.48% down. CEI, 0.42% lower. Meg, 0.20% lower. But Meg has a net foreign buying though. House is also down by 0.16%. Most active stock for the day is SM, huge volume at 1.27 billion, followed by ARLN, also huge volume at 983 million, and surprisingly, TBGI. This is quite huge, 938 million. It was 1 billion for this stock. It went as high as 0.84. A lot of people really got stuck, and it went as low as 0.56. My god, what a swing. Alright. So let's go to the top leading stock losers. Of course, it's going to be ATN and ATNB. DNA was quite surprising as well, up 22.81%. ZHI, no volume. MHC and Land as well. Of course, MRC. ISM is also up 7.69%. DFNN by 6.17%. FAN has no volume. Losers, you have STR down 14.27%. GOH has no volume, now 10.30% down. Huge volume as well, 432 million. Let me just see the volume chart. Okay. KBH, no volume. FFI as well. IDC, 6.98% lower. SM is also part of the top losers. Sun, CHP is down as well, 5.62%. Really looks weak. And lastly, PNX down 5.12%. Okay. For our news and announcements, exchange rate closed at 51.344 is to $1. Foreign market update, mixed. Hang Seng Taiwan is up, Nikkei Singapore and Korea is down, Shanghai and India is down as well. Alright, so that was your market wrap-up report for January 31, 2018. This is Stocks in the Philippines, teaching you how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently.